How to mask a video on Sony Vegas Pro tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mask any video you want on Sony Vegas. So first step you have to do is go to Vegas Pro and open the project that you want to mask. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now all what you have to do is go right here, click on this crop option, and it will take you here. Now go down and click here, select this mask option, and here select this or this or this, and now as you can see you will be able to mask anything you want like this. And after you finish you can manage it like this. So easy to use and it's helpful. You can try it on your videos. You can mask anything you want from the green screen and other options. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.